Okay, so that's what we see here.
That's a huge. And then
Some point they catch up.
yeah, and the you can see that there's one screw that's a bit loose.
Yeah.
And
You mean that one on the right hand side?
That's right. Yes.
This one.
Yes, you can see that all these teeth are shaved off, are broken from the bottom gear.
Yeah.
You can see the play here, and also this way. And I'm not putting very much strength. Same thing here, teeth broken on
the side one.
Yeah, and now you can really see how the little screw is loose. That might have been the problem all along.
Yeah. That one on the left side. Yeah.
Because the set screw seems to be good.
And I guess there's a lot of.
And there's a set screw missing there, maybe.
There was
Maybe
I think it has been out, so it probably dropped it. And there's also so there's lots of debris inside there.
Yeah.
Something white, something dark, something that definitely
it's the broken teeth.
doesn't have to be there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this one seems to rotate easily, right?
Yeah.
The bearing.
Yeah. These ones are not too bad.
Then there's this cover that has visible mechanical signs
rough,
of
right?
wear. Yeah, feels really rough.
And you know what?
It's all the way.
Yeah. It's like it was
all the way here.
Yeah. Which makes sense.
Okay,
And
so the rest is
same thing in the front. You see the circular patterns there too.
I already made a picture, video of that. So in here, well, we see that the belt is loose, but otherwise, so that bearing seems to be fine. Don't think there's any problem with this. The one that sits in here, actually, this one also seems to be fine. Don't feel any major resistance. In the track, there's some dust. Not too much. The claw seems to be okay, but as I said before, there's some misalignment between those three parts and the part that sits inside the chamber, but that we'll deal with a bit later maybe. Anyway, that seems to be the main problem for now. Okay, I also make some pictures. That's it.